Good morning, children. Today's we discuss about the topic multiplication. What is the multiplication? Before going to multiplication, let us discuss about the previous class. What we discussed in the previous class? Repeated addition. What is repeated addition? Repeating the same number. Adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. Then what is the multiplication? We have some flowers over here. How many flowers are there in all? We gave some flowers in one group. They gave 3 flowers. In one group, they gave 3 flowers. So how many diagrams we have like this? 3. So 3 flowers plus 3 flowers plus 3 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? How many flowers are there in all? 3. Add them. 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many? 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So total how many flowers do we have? 9 flowers we have. There are the 3 groups of flowers. Each group has 3 flowers. So 3 group of flowers is equals to 9. How? 3 group of flowers. 3 group of 3 flowers. We have 3 groups. We have 3 flowers in each group. So 3 group of 3 is equals to 9. So 3 times 3 equal to 9. 3 times 3 equal to 9. What is the multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number is multiplication. Repeated number of addition of same number is multiplication. What is the multiplication? Repeated addition of same number is multiplication. Repeated addition of same number is multiplication. Next we have some flowers here. Write the following in multiplication form. What is the multiplication form? In the previous we have 3 into 3. This 3 into 3 is multiplication form. This into is sign of multiplication. This into symbol is sign of multiplication. Sign of multiplication. Now we have 2 plus, we have some flowers here. In the first example we have flowers as leaves. How many leaves do we have in each group? 2 leaves. In another group 2 leaves. 2 leaves and 2 leaves. So how many 2's we have? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 into 2. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. 4 into 2. What is the answer? 8. Do we have 8 leaves here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you have 8? So they didn't ask answer, only multiplication form. We need not to write answer. And next, we have another example. 2 plus, here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's we have? 6 2's. How many 2's we have? 6 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 2. 6 times 2. And 6 into 2. Next we have 5 plus 5. 5 4 times. So how many? 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 5. And next, how many 3's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 3. 5 into 3. And remaining 3